What if I ask you to print numbers from 1 to 100 and you try to do it like this? Print 1, print 2. Are you going to write 100 lines like this? That's slow, boring, and not how real programmers works. So here's the question: how do programmers repeat tasks automatically? The answer is loops. Alright, before we jump into the code, let's understand one simple idea. A loop is just a way to repeat something again and again without waiting the same code multiple times. Think about it like this. If I ask you to print hello 10 times, you could write print hello 10 times. But that's not smart, right? That's exactly why loop exists. Now in Python, we mainly use two types of loops. The first one is the for loop and the second one is the while loop. A for loop is used when you already know how many times you want to repeat something. For example, if you want to print something 5 times, you use a for loop. A while loop, on the other hand, is used when you don't know the exact number of times. It keeps running as long as a condition is true. So in simple words, loop help you save time, reduce code, and make your program smart. Now let's see how this actually works in Python with real example. Let's write our first loop. For I in range 5 print hello. And for keyword, this tells Python we are starting a loop. And I is a loop variable. This variable stores values one by one every time the loops run. Think of it like a container that keeps changing. And in this connect the variable with a sequence. It means take values one by one from somewhere. And range 5, this generate numbers from 0 to 4. The important, it starts from 0. Stop before 5. And colon, this tells Python the loop body start now. Final indentation, this space is very important. It tells Python line belongs inside the loop. How Python executes this? Internally, Python does this step by step. Okay, I equals 0, print hello. I equal 1, print hello. I equal 2, print hello. Likewise, I equal 4, print hello. Even to we wrote only 2 lines, Python runs the print statement 5 times. Now let's take this one step further. What if you don't just want to print hello? What if you want to print numbers? I'm right. For I in range 5, print I. Output will be like this. Wait, why did it start from 0? That's because Python follows something called zero-based indexing. Don't worry too much about that now. Just remember, range 5 means number from 0 to 4. But what if you want to numbers from 1 to 5 instead? I'm right. For I in range 1, 6, print I. Now the output becomes 1 to 5. So here's the rules. First number equals start, second number a stop. You can even control how the loop moves. For I in range 1, 10 to print I. The output like this. That last number 2 is called the step. It means jump by 2 each time. Let's do something more practical. Print even numbers from 1 to 20. For I in range 2, 21 to print I. See, that's clean, simple, and powerful. Alright, now comes the second type, the while loop. Remember, we use while loop when we don't know how many times to run. Okay, I equals 0 while I less than 5, print I plus o equal 1. The output like this. How this works? Start with I equals 0. Check condition I less than 5 true. Run the code, increase I. Okay. And this keeps repeating until the condition becomes false. Now this is very important. If you forget to update the variable, this will run forever because I never changes. So always remember, update your variable inside while loop. What if you want to stop loop early? Use break. Okay. For I in range 10, if I equal 5 break print I. Okay. As soon as I becomes 5, loop stop. Now instead of stopping, what if you want to skip something? Use continue. For I in range 5, if I equal to continue print I. See, it is skip 2. Okay. Let's combine everything. Print numbers from 1 to 10 but skip even numbers. Okay. In range 1, 11, if I modulus 2 equals 0, continue print I. Okay. Output like this. If you want to become a strong programmer, loops are something you must practice. Now here's a quick challenge for you. Print numbers from 10 to 1 using loop. Try it and comment your answer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.